Hello. We're gonna play some Angry Birds Go.
Hello, guys.
I'll be joined here by my friend, a friend of mine. We're chatting in Skype. We're playing some Angry Birds Go. Anything you want to... Oops. Okay, there we go. Do you want to say anything?
Sup, YouTube?
Okay. Ooh, new racer. I got the bomb. I don't know how to... I'm sorry, I don't know how to...
bomb!
The bomb. Bomb's ready. Bomb's ready.
Gotta show my face, man. Gotta show my face.
You want to show your face? Either way. So do you want to show your face or no?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. Hold on, but then it'll exit and the screen will do everything. Maybe later. Okay?
Okay.
Fine by you? 3, 1, go! Go, 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 go.
It looks like
Go.
you're just sitting there staring at something and holding your camera. Like, right when you said 3, you're just sitting there right when you're about to say 1, you're
Boom.
just looking at a screen. You're sitting there frozen.
Whoop. Oh god, I'm probably not gonna make it. Oh god, no. Please, I beg you, don't win the race. Oh yeah, I'm first. Bomb power. You can see the video once we're done, okay?
Koi.
Right now, we're just gonna do about 3 races. Probably 5, maybe. Not gonna take too long. So we have...
Jump out there, world.
So right now, let's go to Rocky Road. Seedway could wait, but let's go to Rocky Road. Aw, yeah. I'm ready. I'm psyched.
You're still just sitting right there frozen.
I know. You can see. Do you want to tell them about the clan or anything?
Oh yeah, our clan. Well, it's not necessarily good, but I wouldn't say epic. I mean, it has 13 people, I think. Yeah, 13. And the top guy in our clan is John, is about to become Crystal, and maybe you guys want to swing by and say, hey, it's invite only. I could ask him to change it, swing by,
Yeah, John doesn't trust you.
say hey. And Nick, he doesn't trust me. That's why I'm not co. So, yeah, swing by, say hey, and if you're lucky, Nick might leave our clan and, join other clans and say hey.
Yeah. I guess we're gonna...
If he wants.
So,
I mean, go ahead.
okay, I forgot what I was gonna say. So you could go ahead now while I think.
I forgot what I was going to say.
Okay. I just remembered. Clash of Clans episode is gonna be released probably tomorrow or today. Wait for it to go. Release your
And I might be in it.
Yay!
You sounded like a robot. You were like, yay!
That's-
Yay!
For me, it just sounded fine. Whoop.
Yeah,
Oh,
because you're
yeah.
the one
I tried to
who-
show off. But I failed.
The clan episode? I'm not sure when it will be released.
Clash of Clans episode 2.
Maybe the second episode might be released.
Boom.
It's up to him. It might be released.
Today or tomorrow.
Or Monday.
I'm not sure about that, but okay.
clan, we have clan wars every weekend. If people are stupid and leave. No offense, Global.
Okay, hold on. I'll be back. Can you keep them entertained? Okay, you got them entertained.
You back?
I'm ready.
To upload.
Nope, not ready. I'm ready to race. Not upload yet. No. Yes, get the fruits. Get the fruits. Angry Bird Go. I suggest you guys download it. It's so much fun. Don't you think?
I have it, but I really play it though. It's fun.
Oh God. No. This cannot be the end. Yes, must collect the fruit to win. Oh.
Did you almost lose?
Yeah.
I can't see anything he's doing. All I can see is a frozen face.
Okay.
That's Skype for you guys.
Yeah, I won't tell my Skype because I don't want any spammers. I'm terrible at singing.
Better than me.
Nope. You're better.
Yeah. No, you don't want to hear me sing.
Okay, go ahead, sing.
No.
Go ahead, sing.
No.
Go ahead and sing.
No.
Come on, we want to hear you sing. I'm gonna sing. Let's see. I'm so fancy. You already know. Now you go. Go on. Do it for YouTube.
This sucks.
Okay, that sounds good. Better than mine, at least.
Nope.
My sister's right here beside me.
I think that's the longest time we've ever been silent.
I believe so. It's awkward silent.
It's either we're talking on Skype, or Skyping each other, or talking to each other on Clash of Clans.
Yeah.
I think that was the longest
Aww.
sequence.
No cupcakes. Let's go on to Red, and then after that, after he runs out of cupcake, I'll stop the video.
So, I hope you guys enjoyed. Please like and comment down below, and subscribe.
Oh God, I failed at this one. This is the last race, and then after, I'll stop. This is gonna be a bonus one.
Remember to like and subscribe down below.
And
It'll help him out a lot.
it means a lot.
It'll help him out a lot. It means a lot too to both of us. I want to keep watching his videos.
Woo! Oh, the dog background. Do you want to introduce them? What's your dog's name again?
My dog?
Mm-hmm.
Mine.
Mine. Okay. That's his name. Mine. Great name, I believe. Well, anyways, thank you for watching.
Please like and subscribe down below. I know I've said that a million times.
Wait. Okay.
So
And I'll
see you guys later.
Peace.